Hello viewers, hope you all are well. My name is Susmita Sikdar and today I am showing you a men's pen style pattern program using Python language. Hope you all enjoy the program. Let's start it. First, I am taking here a variable called rows. Which initial value I am declaring here 6. Now I am using 4 variable to create this pattern. Let's start it. First, using for loop for I. Now I am writing here I range is starting from 0 and it goes to up to how many rows are there. Okay. Now within this I loop I am creating another loop whose name is j, and this range is starting from rows -1 and it goes to I. Then it stepping 1 value, that's why I am using here -I, then print Now I am taking another variable for L. Its range is I. Now here print the blank space, that's why I am writing here blank and then end equals to blank. Now taking another variable for k. It's started for I and it increased one way, that's why I plus I, and then it goes to rows. Then I am here using print statement. And now I am writing here print for going next line. Okay, now the program written was completed. Now I am showing you the output. The output was very unique. It's create a men's pant. You see here the output. The output is a men's pant style. So you see the program written is very easy. I hope you all understand how we create this program. Thank you for watching the video.